Hello there, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create project management tool in Laravel using free AI. So the free AI we are going to use here, OpenCode CLI. This is a command line interface extension, AI extension. So we have to install it at first, and so it will actually complete the whole project for us. We don't have to do any coding here, and if we find any kind of error related to our project, we don't have to solve it manually. We just have to mention the issue or problem, and then it will actually solve itself. Let me show you how you can actually install this at first. So open the terminal and then say here that npm space I space -g to install it globally, then give space, then OpenCode -AI at latest. Now hit enter to install this, but the problem is here you can see we have npm. So to install this through this command, you have to have Node.js in your PC. So go for the terminal once again and type node-v to get the Node.js version. If you find this, it means you have successfully installed Node.js. On the other hand, you have to actually install it. So how to install this? Just go to the browser and go for Node.js, hit enter, then go for the Node.js site downloads, let's say, and here select any long-term support version which has this LTS option. Here you can see LTS. So go with this. And if you are from Windows, select Windows, and then you will find here .msi. I am from Linux, so what I have to do, I have to actually copy all of them, okay? Or maybe you can actually click here, copy to clipboard, and then go for the terminal once again and paste it. And now if you hit enter, then it will actually install Node.js properly, okay? I'm not going to actually do this because I already installed Node.js, so you just have to actually do this. That's it. Now you can actually go back to the terminal and run this command. I already installed it in my PC. If you install it and then if you say here OpenCode -version, hit enter, then OpenCode version will be shown here. So this is the latest version. Now let's say want to create a project. So we are going to create here a Laravel project. And Laravel is a PHP framework, so we need a server for this. So for the database server and localhost server, we are going to use XAMPP. And to create Laravel project globally, we need a composer. So what do you need? XAMPP and then composer. Now go to the download composer. If you're from, let's say, Windows, there will be a .exe. So just download this and install it in your PC. And if you're from Linux, I will suggest you to go with the ChatGPT. Go to the ChatGPT and then ask for that how to install composer. Before composer, you have to install XAMPP because composer will use PHP. So XAMPP will provide us PHP server. So we are going to use here XAMPP PHP. So at first you have to actually install XAMPP, okay? So go for the ChatGPT if you're from Linux. So what you have to do, you have to actually mention here that you want to install XAMPP and you want to set XAMPP PHP globally, okay? And then composer globally. So it will actually show you all the steps. I'll not show you because this will be very long video if I show all the process. I'm going to skip this part. So what you have to do, you have to install composer, then XAMPP, then Node.js. At first you have to install Node.js, then XAMPP, then composer, okay? So to generate the project, we have to actually go to a specific folder. Let's say here in the downloads, I can create it because I have actually installed OpenCode CLI globally. So I can access OpenCode CLI from anywhere in our PC. So now here I want to create a new folder to separate my project, and the project is all about project management tool. So I'll say here project, so project management -AI. This is my project folder directory. Here I'm going to open terminal, and here I want to open OpenCode. So I'll say here OpenCode, hit enter, then OpenCode will be open here. You can see to maximize it, and here we have to mention what we need. So to create a professional website, you need a professional prompt. Basically, you have to give here all the information. So I will suggest you to actually make a professional prompt through a chatbot like ChatGPT or Gemini. So go back to the browser and go to the chatgpt.com. Now here you have to mention related to your project. So you can see this is the professional prompt. Generate a complete project management tool, web application using Laravel. This application should include front-end and index page, authentication, user rules, dashboard. Basically, you have to mention what you need in your project. Then it will actually generate a prompt for you. Alright, here is the prompt. So I'm okay with this prompt, so I'm going to copy this, okay? So I'm going to actually copy this from here and here. So copy this, go back to the OpenCode and paste it here. So to paste it, you can actually paste it through your mouse. You have to use computer keyboard. So to paste it through keyboard, if you're from Windows, you have to press Ctrl+V, but if you're from Linux, you have to press Ctrl+Shift+V. Now hit enter to execute this, but before that you have to start XAMPP. So I'm assuming that you can install XAMPP. So if you're from Windows, you have to press Windows button. Then if you type XAMPP, you will find XAMPP control panel. But in Linux, we have different way to do this, and that is, let's want to open this file system, and then we have to go for the OPT, then LAMP. So in Linux it called LAMP. If Windows, then it called XAMPP. Alright, now here we have to go for a terminal. So we'll say here open terminal, and here we are going to say ls to show all the list, I mean files and folder list. Here we have manager-linux-x64, so we have to run this. So copy this and say here sudo space dot slash, then paste it. Hit enter, give the password. There we go. Now select this manage servers option and select Apache and database, and you have to start both of them. That's it. Here you can see running. Now we don't have to do anything here. We just have to minimize it, minimize, and let's remove this, and here we have to now hit enter, and then it will actually create the whole project for us. We don't have to do anything here. We just have to wait for the project completion. So I'll actually fast forward the video, and when the project will be done, I'll be back. As you can see, it complete the whole project for us. So this is the project. Now we will actually go back to the project directory here in this downloads. So this is our project. Here you can see. Now we are going to actually open terminal here, and here we just have to say php artisan serve. Now server will be run here. So we are going to copy this server, I mean this URL. Let's go back to the browser. Here we are going to paste it. Hit enter. Then here you will find the project management tool homepage. Here you can see this is the index page. We have a nice professional index page. And now we can actually go for the sign in option also. We have get started. I mean, we can actually go for the registration. After that, we can actually go for the sign in. Here we are going to use the credential. So these are the credentials you can see. For the admin, we have admin@example.com. For the project manager, we have pm@example.com. We have member also, john@example.com. Let's log in as admin at first. So admin@example.com. admin@example.com. Password. Now go for the login. Here is the dashboard. You can see we have a nice professional dashboard here. We have all the projects. We can add new project also. Here you can see. Then these are the tasks. So that's it, guys. I have shown you how you can actually create such kind of project like project management tool through OpenCode CLI. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.